Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Profit Gateway. Now, Profit Gateway, guys, essentially it's a system that's gonna get you guaranteed results by manipulating sportsbooks bonuses. Now, I am not into sportsbooks betting, but if you guys are into sportsbooks betting, this is not gambling. It's essentially a sportsbooks betting. I don't have any idea, guys, about sportsbooks betting, but I'm just gonna record this video and create this review video of the product, Profit Gateway. That way you can, see what you can expect if you guys purchase Profit Gateway. So essentially, so I'm here inside of the Profit Gateway, but before I'm gonna show you inside, guys, what you can expect inside the Profit Gateway, let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, and if you're interested in into like sports books betting, making money with sports books betting, then you can purchase Profit Gateway, and I'm gonna give you access to these additional bonuses. Now, just like I said, I am not into sports books betting because I am doing affiliate marketing. But anyway, if you would pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to these additional bonuses right here. My bonus number one, I'm gonna show you guys how I generate $70 to $100 per day with ClickBank using only free traffic, right? If you wanted to learn affiliate marketing, then this strategy, guys, can really help you guys out generate that $70 to $100 per day with ClickBank using only free traffic, right? My bonus number two, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a case study on how I'm able to make $112 per Cora using a really cool strategy, guys, that no one else is gonna show you this because this came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences, right? This is actually experiment from Cora, and I'm able to generate $112 with this method, and you can do the same with this strategy, all right? Next one, guys, I'm gonna show you a case study on how I make $30 using a set and forget traffic source that is gonna blow your mind. Now, this is gonna set up this traffic source once, and you can, get a limited amount of traffic on complete autopilot using this set and forget traffic source, guys. So it's really, really powerful traffic source. And next bonus, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a case study on how I'm able to make $100 over and over and over again just by chatting with my email, right? So basically, you can also do this just by chatting using Gmail. I actually use Gmail to make $100 over and over again just by chatting to someone, to random people, right? I'm gonna show you exactly a case study on how I'm able to do this, right? So those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up Rapid Gateway through the link down in the description of this video. So let me show you around what you can expect inside of Rapid Gateway because I don't have any idea about this about sports books betting. But keep in mind, guys, that there's like selected country right here. It's like I think it's only available in the USA, UK, India, Canada, Germany, Malaysia, Nigeria, and yeah, so those are, I think the countries that are supported with this program. All right, so Nigeria, Malaysia, Germany, Canada, UK, and USA. So if your country is not listed in this section right here, so you don't want to purchase Rapid Gateway. And there are also some upgrades right here if you wanted to upgrade your account to Turbo, upgrade to Deluxe, upgrade to Max, upgrade to Love, right? You could also do that if you wanted to upgrade your account. But basically, guys, it's like I said in the beginning of this video, Profit Gateway is basically a system. It's gonna get you guaranteed results by manipulating sportsbooks bonuses. And in this section right here, you will learn how to take advantage of your first offer, making an easy $230 in just one bet. So you basically bet, betting, and yeah, and then they have this video right here, um, um, instructional video that you can watch right here, guys. And then they have the instructions right here and what you need to do, guys. All right. Now this comes with a software which is a calculator and adds converter tool. Now what this tool can do, guys, it will find and reads and calculates, and it will give you numbers that you can just basically copy and paste. That way you can get guaranteed results using this strategy. And they have this video right here showing you exactly how to use this tool right here, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Those are the things that you can expect inside of Rapid Gateway. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And just like I said, guys, if you guys would love to pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video, you get access to sale to these additional bonuses right here that will really help you guys out make money online if you wanted to learn affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.